I'm going to be talking about is skincare to bring on vacation. So like soaps and lotions and things like that. Hey, it's Diane from Vermont Lavender, and I won't be making any soaps or any shower steamers or things like that, but my husband and I are going to be celebrating our 30th wedding anniversary. So we're taking a trip to the Carolina Beach in Wilmington, North Carolina. So we planned this like this past February. We booked it and everything. And so I just want to show you a few of the items, and I will leave a link for them in the description box below if you're interested. And then I'll also show you a little bit of where we're staying and of course the ocean. And so I'll show you a little bit of our travel if you're interested. And so just sit back and relax and have your favorite cup of tea and enjoy the show or the video. So first I'm going to be taking my sea salt and lily. If you haven't seen that video, I have a video on making this soap. It's a beautiful scented soap and it's perfect for the ocean. And then I already have one that I'm using, but this is the lavender one. It's a sea salt one. So I'll be taking that one too. And then I want to take this for my husband. It's a sun and sand. It has oatmeal in it and honey and things like that. But it has a nice beachy scent, so I'll be taking this one. So this is a lavender sugar scrub. It's a new product that I've formulated and created. And so this one's a little bit of a solid, it's more solid, so I'm going down to a southern area where it's a little bit warmer than it is up here. Currently it is about maybe 60 degrees and it's early October, so we're going to drop off the cliff and go into snow season pretty soon. So really looking forward to going down there and getting some extra sun and just relaxing and enjoying myself or ourselves. So this is a beautiful sugar scrub and it works wonders. It really does work well. I love it. I use it on my arms and then the back of my arms because I have really dry skin. I have that keratosis pilaris, and if you don't know what that is, it's just extremely dry skin on the back of your arms. You can have it anywhere on your body, but most commonly it's on the back of your skin. So I use this, it works really well, and then I just put on a body butter and it works just beautiful. Then I'm going to be taking some shower steamers. So this one here is a nice one. It has it's an aromatherapy shower steamer. So it has like lily in the valley, makes me think like summer nights. So I'm taking this one here, and then of course I'm taking Clarity, if I need to wake up in the morning, and then my lavender one, that's for nighttime. So these are really nice. Shower steamers are really nice. I would like to bring some bath products, but I don't know because it's not my home, so I don't want to soak in somebody else's tub. They're kind of icky. So no matter how well they clean it, it's not home. You know what I mean. So so I won't be doing any of that. So shower steamers are really a good idea for a purpose like that, for travel. It's perfect. And then I always use my face balm, which is for mature skin. So if you have oily skin, this is not a good product for you. This is for mature skin because I'm over 50. I'm over 55. But so I have really, really dry skin, dry mature skin. So this works really well. But this is a rose cream, and it is a face lotion. So if somebody has oily skin, this would work really well. And this does have rose essential oil in it and geranium in it. But because of the ingredients, it does help with the sun. Because the sun is probably a lot stronger because you're heading down towards, Vermont doesn't have much sun, okay? We have a lot of rain here, but it's a beautiful sunny day today, but we don't have a lot of sun up here. And then I have this. I already have one in my purse, and it's great for like the cuticles and things like that. I really enjoy that. And then of course I have my aromatherapy body butter, and this is really nice. This one I sold out of. It has frankincense, myrrh, and clary sage in it, lavender, and then I have maybe a couple other ingredients in there for essential oils, and plus some skin, it's all skin loving. It's a body butter. So this is the reason I'm bringing this, is it helps me to go to sleep because it's just very calming, and clary sage is really just beautiful essential oil. So these are some of the items that I'm going to be bringing, and next I will show you some of the photos and things like that. So enjoy. Finally made it to our condo in North Carolina, Carolina Beach. This is the view from our deck. So beautiful. It's going to be lots of fun. Celebrating our 30th anniversary. And here's the view here. So pretty, very nice. So this is our jaunt with a saw going down to the Island Burger Bites, and we got a car coming. So this is how they do their piers. That's how the parking is. I don't have my finger in the way. I don't think I do. And then let me pan over here so you can see where we came from. All the way down there. So this is Carolina Boulevard. This is north, and we're heading south. It's a nice, beautiful, sunny day. So this is the Island Burger Bites.
Double cheeseburger.
Look at that. Look at that puppy. And then this is mine. This is a bacon cheeseburger. Oh, look at that. Ketchup, onions, mushrooms, and some pickles. We're enjoying ourselves here in North Carolina. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.